This is for all my water people. Check this out. I found the best shower head you can buy for the money. Look at that flow. It's gorgeous. They're awesome. It's like standing under a nice warm waterfall. I love it. I just finished taking a shower and I gotta share this with you. I just remodeled this bathroom and these are the best damn shower heads ever. Check this out. They put out a ton of volume. Look at that. I mean, most of these shower heads, you feel like you're getting blasted by like 20 different super soakers. This will actually wash the shampoo out of your hair. Look at that. It's beautiful. I just wanted to share that real quick. I'm gonna put a link on Amazon. I bought these things. They're not bad either. They're only like 20 bucks a pop, and they're California rated. That's where I'm at. And if you live outside of California, you can even get them with a higher flow rate. But I had these. These are fancy Jado shower heads. Cost like $70 a piece. They do like 4 or 5 different things. You twist the little dial, but none of them are any good. This does one thing, and it showers well. High volume, low pressure. Has these nice little silicone things. It's nice and thin. It looks elegant. I love them. They're a high, true stainless steel finish. They're just gorgeous. Look at that. You can see yourself in these things. And you come with these little extra things. Anyways, I'm not trying to talk you guys into this. I have 2 clearly. And I'll try and find a little T-bar that if somebody wants to link them up. I did mine behind the wall. I planned it that way. But it works so nice. So nice. I mean, if you have a nice big hot water heater and you can turn it on, soap up, turn it off. I just love them. They're like a AAA++. I'm going to buy like 2 or 3 more of these things and just keep them if they ever discontinue them. I like them that much. They are just killer. Absolutely killer. I had to pay 3 times as much for those things. I just want a nice, soft, relaxing, wash to get shampoo and stuff out of my hair. I've got insanely thick hair. Anyways, guys, I'm going to put a link down there on the bottom. Buy them, try them. You will love them. And this is for all my water people. Tomorrow, we talk bidets. Yes, sir. I custom created the world's best bidet. You gotta go check it out. See you tomorrow. I backed up to give you guys a full idea of how far these things fling the water. That's a 2 shower heads. They got plenty of throw. Excuse the washcloth in there. I really did honestly just get done taking a shower. But look at that. I mean, it's just like a nice warm waterfall. I mean, come on guys, where are you gonna beat that? Seriously, for $20? Not even close. Get yourself one. Get yourself one. Hell, give them away as Christmas presents. I think I might. Bye.